this video, we are at Veterans Memorial Bicentennial Park in Fall River, Massachusetts, the hometown to Roger That USA. We couldn't help but do a video on one of our local parks dedicated to all those who have served, sacrificed themselves for the freedom of this nation, for you and I. So I don't want to talk much, but just some quick stats. It's 2 minutes north from our famous Battleship Cove, where you can go ahead and board a destroyer, a battleship, a submarine. There'll be an episode on that coming soon. So in this video, you'll see some memorials to various war conflicts, various folks who deserve the recognition, and those who have donated also to the cause. Located at 1082 Duval Street within the city of Fall River, by our decent waterfront here in the city. We have bricks along all the walkways with the names of men and women who have served, are serving, all dedicated by family members, friends, and various foundations. The Iwo Jima monument is 30 feet high, replica of the one at Arlington Cemetery. We also have a Vietnam Memorial Wall, which is an 80% replica of the one in DC. VietnamMemorialWall.org if you want to help donate for the upkeep of the wall. At the end of each pathway of the wall will be an index book where you can find your warrior on the wall in chronological order of casualty. At the end of this video, you'll see some night shots. I did have an accident with the drone, so I apologize for the lack of drone footage. We hope you enjoy the park. If you're ever in southern New England, near Fall River, Massachusetts, here on the East Coast, make a stop. It's one of the more patriotic parks in the country, so enjoy. Roger That USA.